Dear students, welcome to Exam OTT. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited job details. In this context, I am going to discuss about how many vacancies are there, how to prepare, exam pattern, then the syllabus and previous year questions. This is very important those students who are preparing for NPCIL because this is a very golden opportunity and NPCIL has released almost 400 vacancies for various categories. Let's look into the various aspects of the website which they have mentioned. When it comes to graduate exam, if you are engineering graduate, you can directly join NPCIL through your gate ranking. If not, there is another possibility of joining this NPCIL Kaiga unit of Karnataka, where you'll have the various vacancies called scientific assistant, stipendary training, paramedical, non-teaching post at Kaiga site. Know that this is very important vacancies released by Government of India. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited is having various sites across India, and Kaiga is one of the important site. In this context, I am going to discuss about exam pattern, how to prepare, and its syllabus and previous year questions. Now let's begin with the various aspects of vacancies. Know that it is having various categories like scientific assistant, category 1, category 2, stipendary, then assistant grade of HR, that's a non-teaching vacancies called HR department, finance and accounting, then paramedical, technical aspects they're having the various vacancies. The total vacancies are 391 vacancies. In the notification, you can find the detailed vacancies or breaking up of the vacancies under various eligibility criteria. Why I am saying that it's a golden opportunity in the sense, the pay scale that they have mentioned is that level 4 to level 7. It means you will get by hand more than 68,000 when it comes to level 7. Then scientific assistant B category, the pay scale is almost 35,000 to 400. After adding your DA, which is about 53% of your pay scale, which comes around more than 54,000. And also they have mentioned about stipendary trainee for category 1 and category 2, and the first year how much you are going to get it, the second year how much we are going to get it, they are also mentioning here. Please go through the notification for details because I will be focusing mainly on exam pattern. Because exam pattern is very crucial to get into the service of Kaiga unit of NPCIL, where we have a very simple and effective method of recruitment by Kaiga unit. When it comes to scientific assistant B and category 1 stipendary trainee, they have mentioned that there will be 2 steps. One is online examination and personal interview. In case of category 2, that's a stipendary trainee technician of Kaiga unit. They just mentioned that there will be 2 steps. It means preliminary stage and advanced test. Remaining category, that is from job serial number from 4 to 9, you can find online examination which includes preliminary test, advanced test and skill test. What is a skill test? What is a preliminary advanced test? I will be discussing here with the help of the notification. Because in the notification they explicitly clearly mention about step-by-step procedure of recruitment. Now let's take up the notification. I'll explain the notification in detail. So this is the home page of your Kaiga unit of NPCIL, where you can find that these are the current notifications or ongoing notifications of NPCIL. We'll be discussing about the notification here. As I mentioned that the notification consists of detail, and they also give an extension of the last date of application, that's till 8th April 2025. My focus, as I mentioned, that will be mostly on exam pattern, because the remaining aspects you can find here in the page number 34. In the page number 34, we can see the exam pattern of this notification. As we mentioned that exam pattern consists of based on your level of joining and the designation. So this is the notification and this is the exam selection procedure. We have to be very clear about exam selection procedure. When it comes to scientific assistant B, as I mentioned that it will consist of online examination and personal interview. In case of category 2, it consists of online examination which consists of preliminary and advanced stage. Remaining you will also have the skill test. Skill test is something related to computer proficiency test. Computer proficiency test. Now let's move on to the stage 1 notification. Stage 1 notification. Selection procedure of scientific assistant B and category 1. Here I can see that stage 1 consists of your subject oriented discipline, meaning the exam would be around 90 minutes. 50 multiple choice questions will be given and the syllabus is related to your subject knowledge. Knowledge. And based on your marks which you scored in this examination, they'll call for personal interview. In personal interview, you'll be having the interview marks of 100 marks. Clear? So the merit list would be based on overall performance in online examination and personal interview. This is for scientific assistant B and category 1 stipend. When it comes to category 2 stipend examination, there will be online exam which consists of preliminary exam and advanced test. Whereas preliminary exam is a screening test, which means whatever the score you score in the preliminary exam will be taken into consideration for advanced stage only. Because in the preliminary exam you have the subjects called mathematics, science and general awareness, 1 hour examination, 50 multiple choice questions and the maximum marks is 150 marks. Based on the score you will be called for advanced test. This advanced test is also online format. Both the screening test and advanced test would be conducted on the same day only. Clear? So they will be conducting on the same day. When it comes to advanced test, it is again based on your discipline, where you can see in the website and the PDF also. Please go through the syllabus that they have mentioned. So when it comes to advanced test, the maximum marks is also 150 marks, or at the every stage they are having a negative marking, and based on that there will be stage 3 which is a skill test. The merit list of all the candidates will be prepared after stage 2, that is advanced test, based on the scores which you score in the advanced test. A separate merit list also will be prepared for physically challenging candidates. Then the stage 3 consists of skill test. Skill test means it's a computer proficiency test. Only for some vacancies they're having the skill test. Remaining test it is not having the skill test. When it comes to skill test, which is a computer proficiency test, the selection procedure that they have mentioned for is that the syllabus is also mentioned. Clear? Remaining for non-teaching vacancies called your human resources department, finance department, they are also having the 2-step procedure where you will be having the general knowledge, computer knowledge and English knowledge. Clear? Then the second step would be advanced test, where based on the preliminary test you will be called for advanced test. It consists of again 50 multiple choice questions and you have to score minimum marks for merit list. As I mentioned that the skill test, wherever it is applicable, consists of typewriting test, where we need to type at least 30 words per minute. Then the computer proficiency test also consists of part 1, where you will be having the MS Office and internet surfing. These aspects are there in the selection procedure. These are very important aspects when it comes to your selection procedure. In addition to this, there is some physical standard for stipendiary trainees, that is a category 1 and category 2. They mentioned that the minimum height is 160 centimeters and minimum weight is around 45.5 kilo. As we mentioned that they have mentioned the date of birth and qualifications and your equivalent CPA, CCPA, everything they have mentioned. So it is almost 46 pages document. You can go through it. and the portal is having all the related information where you can click and apply for the these vacancies. In this website we can find the detailed breakup of the vacancies, important details, and login portal, and the splitting up of vacancies for your communities also we can find. Then the based on the discipline also we can find computer science, civil engineering, electronics. It's a golden opportunity for those candidates who are having eligibility. Quickly go through it and start preparing for the exam, because as of now it is not mentioned about the exam date. Mostly they may give a brief time to prepare for the exam, and we'll also be sharing the important previous year questions for the exam. Stay tuned for exam OTT. Thank you.